Understanding to remove stitches. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important phrase in the English language: to remove stitches. This might sound straightforward to some, but there's quite a bit to unpack here, especially for English language learners. So, stay tuned as we explore what stitches are, why they're removed, and how this phrase is used in different contexts. Stitches, in the medical sense, are small threads used by doctors to close cuts or wounds. They're a crucial part of the healing process, helping skin and tissues to heal properly by keeping them aligned and secure. Stitches can be made from various materials, including silk, nylon, or even materials that dissolve over time and don't require removal. When we say, to remove stitches, we're talking about the process of taking these threads out once the wound has healed sufficiently. This is usually done by a healthcare professional using a special tool to snip the stitch and then gently pull it out. The timing of stitch removal is important. Removing them too early or too late can affect how well the wound heals. Stitches are removed based on the type of stitch, the location of the wound, and how well the wound is healing. For instance, stitches on the face might be removed within a week to minimize scarring, while stitches on a joint might stay in longer to allow for ample healing time. The decision to remove stitches also considers factors like the risk of infection and the patient's overall health. While to remove stitches is primarily a medical term, it's used metaphorically in other contexts to describe removing something that's no longer needed or ending a process that's completed its purpose. For example, in a project management scenario, concluding a project phase might be likened to removing stitches because it signifies the end of a particular process and the readiness to move on. We hope this explanation clarifies what it means to remove stitches, and how this phrase can be applied both literally and figuratively. Whether you're discussing a medical procedure or the conclusion of a task, understanding the implications of this phrase can enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon. Stay curious and keep learning.